It was once again the holy month of Ramadan in Pakistan, and the streets of Lahore came alive. The smell of freshly baked naan bread and the aromatic spices of delicious curries filled the air as people brought in their last-minute purchases before fasting. As the sun began to set, the busy streets became quiet, punctuated by the melodious azan, the call to prayer. Each day of Ramadan began for Amir and his family with Suhoor, a meal before sunrise. Despite the early hour, the atmosphere was cheerful. They prayed the Fajr prayer together before everyone started their day. For the children at school, Ramadan was a time of special mindfulness. It was not just about keeping the fast, but also about being more kind and helpful. The teachers told stories of the prophets and stressed the importance of patience and charity. Throughout the month, the villagers collected donations for the needy. In the evening, just before Iftar, the mosques were illuminated with golden light. The faithful came together to pray. Breaking the fast together was a moment of unity. Dates and water were passed around, and the children's cries of joy filled the atmosphere. On the last Friday of Ramadan Wida, many gathered in the mosque. They prayed together and received the blessings of the last Fridays of the holy month. Finally, al-Fitr marked the end of Ramadan. The city's residents put on their best clothes and visited the Grand Mosque. They performed the Eid prayers. Afterwards, the streets were filled with joyful laughter and the aroma of rich feasts. Families visited each other, children received gifts, and every part of the day was permeated with the joy of the days gone by. Ramadan is more than just a religious obligation. It unites families, communities, and renews faith in the important values of Islam, such as patience, gratitude, and generosity.